Hi there guys, I'm cooking something delicious today. So basically, first of all I put some onion with the oil, make the oil hot, some onion, a little bit tomatoes, and then I put the whole chicken down there with the potatoes inside the chicken. Then after that mix it up with salt and onion, this one here, onion powder, and as you see this one here, we mix it up, transfers to this, and you put some of whatever. That's it. Mix it up, put it together, and then after that put the water, put the chicken, the whole chicken, and then put the potatoes as I said, and put some water and keep it there for some time. Then after that, oil here, and the potatoes. Mix it up till it transfers, it gets ready. So we keep the potatoes aside here, and remove the pan a little bit to the side, so that's only the onions and mix up. So usually you should take the potato out and put the onion, and then the tomatoes, then put the potato back again. So just mix it up. Now we got this ready here, so we just need to move the chicken from here to here. That's the next step. Ahmed, take care. Okay, so now cut those into small pieces as much as we can. It's a little bit ready. Now the next step would be is we start adding the onion, the salt, and all the other things. You'll see it. Okay, right now you're gonna pour this soap from here, a little bit of it, and we'll put it here. Now, as we finished putting some soap here, So we are ready to go for the next step. We will leave this aside for some time. We put it on the medium heat, so we'll keep it for some time. Now the next step would be is we need to put the rice here. So we need to take care of the rice. So here, as we said already, the potatoes and everything, so we just need to put the rice here and then cover it, make it in a not a very high, like maybe low for some time until this one gets ready, and then so we keep the rice there. So it's getting ready now, so let's try. So it's ready. So you can make it dry like this, or you can put it, keep it with the soap, whatever you prefer. And in terms of the rice, it's already ready here with the potatoes, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'll be eating it and you'll be enjoying watching. And thank you for watching our video in Learn With Us How DIY. Don't forget to subscribe and we will make more videos. Thank you.